Welcome to our tutorial on how to delete all emails from your Gmail account at once. Whether you're looking to clear out your inbox or start fresh, we've got you covered. First, open your Gmail account and make sure you're on the inbox screen. On your left, click on More. Then select All Mail. This displays all your mails present in your Gmail account. Now, click the checkbox at the top left of the email list to select all emails on the current page. If you have more than one page of emails, you'll see a message at the top asking if you want to select all emails in present in mail. Click on that message to select all emails in your account. With all emails selected, click on the Delete button. This will move all selected emails to the trash folder. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted all emails from your Gmail account at once. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.